stories, they become imagination. In everyday moments, they become tradition. They shape how we see the world and how we remember. No longer carried by the sea, they are carried by us. Over time, these stories become more than memories. They live in our gestures, our traditions, the bonds we share. Passed through generations, they shape who we are, a living heritage carried through time. And now, these stories rise once more. From the depths of the sea to the vastness of the sky, they become light, wonder, celebration. Tonight, as we mark the 25th anniversary of the Malta International Fireworks Festival, they shine brighter than ever. A tribute to the past, a gift to the present, a story shared with the world. And as the lights slowly come together, the sky finds its silence once more. But what remains is the feeling, a shared memory